I tell una wetin I experience for 17 years.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Now at least everybody mute.
so I come Europe 2008, 17 years ago now. So for road now I meet this person. I see I don't even know am. They pray, they lead all this maybe that they do because now Libya route now take come, you know. So you go they gather people that they go they gather pray. I go they say this kind brother when they pray like this, you know that kind of a thing. So I was now like interested thinking they na better person, a Christian person. So but unknown to me, waiting get for my different. But as we can eventually reach Europe, we come the day together, e no gree work, e no do anything. Before you know, now me, now I come dey work, they do everything. Now street, I practically they go for 12 years. 10 years first, eventually, 2009, we come out for camp, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
You
That-
dey go street
Yes.
for
Yes.
Italy.
Yes. So and all the money I dey give am to whether we dey eat or whether e dey do anything o, e dey do business for Africa. E go carry container go Nigeria. E go carry container. E go buy truck, trailer head. Now e come dey do business. Everything na me dey give this man for 10 years plus. So after that time, me come just tell myself say me don tire, me wan relocate. Me come tell am say I wan comot for Italy. I wan comot for the city when I dey. I come say I dey comot. So he come say where you wan go now, blah blah blah. I come say I no go fit continue to dey live this life because I see say if we talk about marriage, so I dey talk so no be say I no dey get belle o. 8 pregnancies now comot for this person. 8. So back to back every time now we dey talk, dey quarrel. There was a particular year 2016 I can't even break up from her. I can't say I no go fit continue like this because it take this man 12 years after before he come marry me. So he can behave like say he marry me supposed to happy, say at least he do good for my life. Who they marry a woman when do igbiage, I think that's what they talk who go now so now that kind way come to they look me. Any small thing go they use indirect, they throw word meet me. And any small thing he go they let me they feel say me they continuously they cheat on her, me they continuously they follow ma. Nothing I say for these 17 years. Now only you, now I be Nigerian man or now I be African man, when be black man, when I friend as boyfriend, everybody for the area, everybody for the country when know me, know this man together. So why you go they think me in that kind of way? I know how many times Oyibo go give me money, I go give her. Oyibo go won't come out me for street, you know go let Oyibo even help me. Because he want to continue to the gain from me. He go want me to continue to the work money they give am. So when me come tire now, he come look and say, according to her, he even tell me one statement. He say, mama even tell and say, if he leave me like this, cause he follow his head though, because of the way me don't do follow her. He get document for abroad today, now me. He get anything for this life for Africa, now me. If me want even say, come on 50 euro to my mother, I go put her for Breza. Hide down so that I go fit send money to my own mother. So a lot of all those things happen when I come born my first pikin for her eventually. So na person will be say I suppose to don't get when don't grow reach to be 17 years or going to 18 years by now. But now I come born 5 years ago when I born my first son for her. Now your behavior just change as your manage even pay bride. Man tell na one shocking thing about how the marriage take even go. Wetin make me dey tell na this story, una know say some of all this male behavior juju dey inside though. Now make me dey tell na this story. So sometimes when you go see women, they do some kind of things when they no suppose, as beneath they talk am. When no oma keke, you know suppose, you know normal. Say person when dey in correct brain. E go they do for person, do continuously. They know they do give am back, but e go still continue, hoping that maybe e go get better. But they better. And they know they change all these kind of men when just like to use women. Now waiting they your plan for their life to do. as they call am for Italy, centrome. They know they change. Even when they marry woman, and to still continue to use the woman. They don't marry you because they love you. Lie. Those your children, they don't love them. They're not interested in those children. So when we go Nigeria to go do marriage, you believe say as you reach Nigeria, I confer his sister, they say, nah, brother, you they do anything. At least me supposed to get contribution again. Now say this marriage take almost 12 years before he come say he won't come pay my dowry, because say me don't talk and say I no go assist man pay my dowry for my own head. If he won't marry me, he go find money to marry, they pay dowry, they do party, anything we won't do. Now so I think answer his sister. So they can't start to the plan. We can't start to the plan the marriage. The marriage, when they plan her, then I go talk to the planner because they were doing everything. My family was not involved in anything. When I mean anything, cloth when I wear for my body, nine me so when I wear. Me and my family, we attend marriage like say we'll be guests. This man and the family say now then I go cook. All of us are Nigerian people, so now know what they talk about. We were come from Edo State. If you want cook for marriage, not be woman has there for the cook, not be woman bride, not be the day in charge of all those things.
Yes.
These people say now their house they go for cook. That thing can't cause for it, can't cause argument. For my own marriage when I have with this man, now for a house now they cook, carry food come. They carry food come all the way from their house for beneath there, come my father house.
Hey,
Come to
wow.
marriage. Wetin happen for my life, if I dey talk am today, it go be like waiting that they watch for one video. My father, my uncle, they say okay, you know me if na so, because they don't they cause quarrel too much. My younger sister and I really old ground say that thing can never happen. Wetin be this? How can una wan cook come from una house? Wait, no, it no go happen. Before you know, if na so, they not go marry again. Your own come they cause quarrel. Make us okay if na so we rest. But my family was seeing it as, the way Nigerian parents really they do. Now that they contribute in most of us women, they trap with men like this. Because they'll say, manager, husband, you see husband, you know, thank God. You see husband, you're supposed to happy with what you see. Husband, not there outside there, blah, blah, blah. Now so this situation be for me, say, they can't just accept them like that. They can't continue the marriage their own way. How they just take one time, and so that one just be. It can't pass. I know we not talk, we not gonna argue about them again. But till tomorrow, that thing it pain me reach my bone, because I felt like we as Africans, we know they do this kind of pattern of marriage. Why come say now for my own case? Now I go just show say this man really they take advantage of me and my family. They take advantage of me and make until obvious say now he go continue to they do this oppression for my life. We come there, we come back to Europe. I don't already get belle for my first son, 2020. Now wahala starts. Bring money, come start to the cost wahala, because me no they go street again now. Go they bring money now. Una understand what I talk about.
But before so, do the marriage, you see the co road?
No, I can't come out for the city. I can't change city. So I can't change city for almost 1 year. I can't go to stay another place. So as I can't stay another place now you can't decide, okay, me Coco, and say, if you want marry, no problem. Don't be me go force you, because after all, it don't be 12 years now when I don't know her. Since 2008 now 2019, I be 2020. Now we can eventually marry. So as we come back to Europe, now all the form of abuse come dey show. Financial abuse, now so now money now they beg for street to take chop, or they buy milk for children.
Not cry, not cry. My sister, not cry. Yeah, not cry, talk, not cry.
Okay. I can't even born second one. That second one is 3 years. Now just a few days ago, now she even complete 4 years, because I don't already come out to. It's already 1 year. This story I tell you. I don't already two children.
Okay. Now you don't come out for the marriage.
Yes. Since last year, it's already a year ago.
When you deal with her, the man they beat you.
Everything complete for when they do.
Jesus.
Mali 6 months. Now 6 months. Now you take do Mali. So only in the cookie food. Now that day now come out. The day when you complete 6 months, before I come from work, I also repack my things. I pack my children. I go to stay one of my Oyibo girlfriend house. So he can't call my father, I can't tell them say, una pikin not do under me again. Anything I want to do, I no come dey charge of her again. And so he just take
Wait, so
them.
when I roll back, una date the science for 6 months.
He go cook his own food in a mat, na me na dey force am to even open mouth. If I greet am for morning, go na that's the open mouth talk. And then the first word come out for a mouth. Na some more children now dey say, go ask your daddy if he will eat. You no go answer me. If he cook you go put am for inside fridge. He go dey tell some more children when no dey eat black soup. You push not touch my soup. Oh. Indirectly, na me dey talk to na, but he no go tell me direct. After all, they keep malice with me. So as I come comot, now he tell me say he call me one day say make I come give am key that last year. Say make me come give am since me don pack comot, make me come kuku pack the remaining things, make me come give am key to house. Now I say man I come give you key to house when me and my children resident put. How is this possible? Now I come call my lawyer, come tell my lawyer say see wetin I dey go through. I quiet since I no talk, I comot quietly because I don tire to quarrel, argue, keep malice. Everything complete when e dey do. Everything complete when
What
e dey do.
it? So when me ya wa complete.
E not complete. Everything complete. If you talk of insult, verbal abuse, or all complete.
She call you ashawo. She call you ashawo. He call you ashawo, no be cheap.
Number one.
They call you ashawo where.
Yes, every day. Now they monitor my phone. He hacked my phone for 2 years. My WhatsApp, everything complete. My WhatsApp, my TikTok, all my this thing go dey phone. If I dey do anything for phone now, you call me for phone, you go first go in your phone. If you send me voice, if you send me message, go first reach your phone first before I go even call my phone. Yes. I have to go provide all these network providers. Now they see NTN for Nigeria, all those things. I have to go meet them. Now they can't help me even check. I can't see and say, see, oh, now since 2 years, I come. I can't say, okay, anyway, anything when they find, I think it will see. Maybe they suspect me, say, get what I they do. After all, maybe the reason say, oh, I do Biaga before, now I go see continuously they do. Abi? No problem. Anything when they find, go see. But how can you they monitor woman for 2 years? They look your phone, you don't see anything, you don't go rest. But any I say my own working place when I dey work, God can't even feel bless me, I can't get job. He tell me to my face one day, say, now my work, now they catch me for body. Now small money when they enter my hand, now they catch me for body because I don't feel can they buy something for myself. I they buy hair for myself, they do my they feel they take care of myself. That jealousy, I go call that one now. When
wait, for that good 6 months, now they sleep for the same bed.
Sleep for the same bed. We they sleep for the same bed. He go nearly fall for the other side of the bed when he take the dress, me my body no touch his body. As now y'all see me for this my DP, that's why I be for grand oh. That's why I be oh. Not be I do my picture like this. Now so me your be. I'm a very beautiful person. I know I see myself up mirror. I don't need person to tell me say I fine. But the way this man they treat me, I be like who get leprosy for inside my was.
He go problem.
As the things when I see, I don't feel use mouth to explain that today till tomorrow, you no go finish. I feel put on for story 3 hours, we never talk my story finish, mama. But the way God take help me be say, as I call my lawyer, tell my lawyer, I say, see what I can't they go through. He say make me come pack things, come on. Me just only come on because I don't tire for the emotional abuse. I don't tire for the pain when I they go through for my mind. Because the silent treatment when they do, the man is when they do. Now that guy strong one when be say, he go they make am so obvious. Even for outside. He go they make am so many people they take out they see wetin they do me. Me now I can't tell my lawyer say I don't feel yes, he was an enemy. He was an enemy to me. 100%.
Enemy of my
He was. He actually tormented me night and day with any opportunity that he has. I go always want to please him. I go always want to do what he wants because I can't look and say, okay, as they talk, you don't already born for Anna. You went wait for after 12 years before they pay your bride price. You're supposed to get the patient to just bear anything, not so that they talk and endurance. But I was seeing that I was dying slowly. I was unaliving myself. I was spying myself by myself with the way I take the enjoy suffer ahead. I said, which kind? I want to continue life like this. So now my lawyer can't tell me say for their law. Now 3 days.
Man, I work with they say I've got at all. Jimmy, go and help my sister. Go on.
He say it. My lawyer tell me say for their law for their country na only 3 days na e get 72 hours to comot for the house. Me and children no fit go stay for street. Na we resident for the house. So because of children, except he wan take the children, he wan be primary caregiver of the children. Then me go carry the children go the house. Then me fit comot. Say if not, he have to comot for us. But make I first go use math take tell am. Now come say okay. He say after me don use math take tell am, say na 3 days 72 hours now I get to comot for the house. Then she go take the legal action. Na so yes o, na legal action na we come take before e come comot for the house for me, as I dey tell una so. So as e comot for the house for me, 1 full year this man no dey pay bill, light and gas dey cut am for my house. Me and my children dey inside darkness for abroad for 5 months.
When the better where?
5 months from June last year till November last year. Me and my children 5 straight months we dey inside darkness, no light, no gas for house where I dey live. Where I dey work, now I dey go cook give my children chop. I have a 5-year-old and I have a 3-year-old child. So I can't go meet
Where una dey take bath?
for where I dey work. Na there for the barber. So I dey tell you, Mami Yore, I was practically suffering. I had to go to the government people to tell them say, me and my children I suffer with dey o, I no fit continue like this. They come tell me say I have to go police station, go lay complaint, say me and my children dey wetin dey call state of abandonment. So na only that kind way, because he dey work. So na only that kind way they go come take up the case so that he go dey pay child support to at least support me. Because the trouble when me come dey get be say the bills come too much, because the previous year he no pay bill, he no pay light bill. In fact 5 years he no pay water bill. 5 straight years he no pay water bill. Gas bill, light bill, 1 full year. All that one they always dey cause quarrel for the house every day. I no talk. Since I don't already come out, he can't tell everybody they pay. He can't tell everybody they go say my eye dey outside. Now make me scatter the marriage. This one, the other one. And so I dey follow one assistant pastor for the church when we dey go. Assistant pastor Mike. Concern pastor when they sleep. So I can sign am for after our separation for don dey go 6 to 7 months already. Before government come talk say they no fit help me pay all the bills when dey my neck. They no fit help me pay. When they talk so the money dey go, only water dey go €6,000. Light and gas dey go €2,300. Yes. So the company no fit help me pay. So and me I dey work. I have to come beg. Yes, ma'am. So I can't have to tell my boss say the way I take this, so he need to borrow me money. Oh, if na my salary of 2 months, he go give me 1. So 3 months, he go give me 1. So I no mind. I really need no fit days live like this. They carry children go to carry children go to cook, to they eat pizza every day. It's too much. So eventually, government can help me pay 75% of the money. Then me come borrow join account pay. I no feel happy, so I was able to sustain myself. No. For November, court. For November, court. For November, court. No, na my battery. Sorry.
Plug am now. Your friend
I don't plug am.
They want my brain.
I don't plug. I don't plug am, mama. So now, so this time, so when we not take day together, so when me and children they suffer, if they spoil my name, they go. If they tell everybody say, now so I be bad woman, now so me doing this, now so me doing that, now so me like to dey my phone 24 hours. I know they talk to him. Exactly everything when he they do, if they tell people say me they do. Now he they dey for 24 hours. But he say me they dey too for 24 hours. Now they keep malice with me. He say me no they talk to him for us. Now they cook your own food. He tell them say na me they cook my own food. In fact, he just make sure say the everything when they do. Now he come they talk say na me do it like that. Yes, that was exactly how.
That's exactly.
That's exactly how we content they spoil my name. This time now is now 1 year old. Do you know that this man already engaged person? This person what they talk about, so he don't engage. I they come out this story. I go try around that up just now. It long. So he court can say he must dey pay child support 250 every month to each child. So 500 every must dey pay. As the your court say he must dey pay, the court judge can't give that order. Now he can't go carry lawyer. Now he can't say he won't fight am. I don't know whether anybody did this life when his own children, when he go claim saying love, when they pay money to feed. Inside that 500, Asrent dey inside though. The way judge say they calculate when they come to this child support of 18. The way they calculate, then they calculate both Asrent, both light bill, both gas bill, both you go buy cloth for the pikin, both you go buy shoe for the pikin. Now those one judge they calculate together, say the minimum, the smallest when they go talk. Now be this money they say me pay for 2 children or 2, not be 1. So they can't say the money too big or blah blah blah. Say me they reduce that to 300 euro for her. Now so we can't go court second time. So it can't be this year. And we can't go court now. Because the first time now for last year November. The second time I can't be for this year. When we reach this year now, the judge when we meet now, that one now all those kind of judge maybe I don't know. I don't go fit call and racist, so I don't know. Maybe now all those judge when they look woman say you come up for husband. I don't know. But she just to me just be like say it take his side in the sense that he can't say he not go reduce the money but government benefit when they pay the children, everything go be 50-50. So you know say as it doesn't mean that they pay 500 government benefit when they
the
pay.
Man don't come, your baby papa don't come. He be this Kevin. Talk.
Oh.
He don't come.
What do you mean?
He dey find your trouble.
It's everywhere. What you my sister?
You know no. You know if he come here.
Okay.
I'll tell you what I do. When he start to dey spoil my name, now I can't begin to talk. I can't do voice notes. I can't explain everything I dey explain to una for years. So from the beginning, how I take me time, all the money I don't give her, or over 65,000 euro minus whether they pay us rent for the past 10 years, whether they feed them for the past 10 years, whether they buy clothes for the past 10 years. I minus that one. I say make him mama come swear for her. Make he carry my name go any shrine. Since he be from Edo State, from Benin, make he carry my name go any shrine, whether they lie for a head. Now talk. Now say the universe, they have record. I tell her, I say, Ailala, make he carry my name go there. Onika get record of what I dey tell una here this night. Now I tell her, I say make he carry my name go anywhere. So me can't do that kind of recording of more than 30 minutes recording. I can't send that to everybody. When I mean everybody, now only social media now no put that recording.
Mona power tap what they give to you wala uje.
Now only social media no put that recording. I send that to your mama, I send that to your papa, I send that to everybody for this our community here. Explaining to them, say see person one na the see person one na the take side with, see person one na the think say na better person, because when one of our sister for here talk say they go be like good person for outside. Now so it be if they speak in tongue for outside today, you go think say this kind of person, how can this woman dey talk say this kind of man? No, so when I start the story just now, I tell una say na person wey dey organize people together, they pray, they do church. It not be pastor.
1 minute, I bet no verse. Anybody no neru. Oh, little highway here with girlfriend they okay. I shall walk behind me. What's it by Christian? Oh, little way here. Oh, no siloko no. Area way. Again, any little way, only a little worry.
Yes.
And then always saw we have neru here, sick away. Where will never see come, I bet way here. I bet
mama, how you tell they know?
I know them now. I don't know them. I know them. Mama Carway. Oh, we are neru here, sick up story. Okay, one or ya way. Very useless setup.
Yes, on Saturday, they go work for straight almost 2 years. As they go work, they have so early morning, first train, you don't take and go the other city till the evening, as early as 6:55. That be the train where go take for morning. They will come back about 8 o'clock for evening. Every Saturday, they miss them. Only that Saturday, they go work, but we no go see them for this house. Why? Because now woman, I go find for dinner. Woman, I go find.
Now, what man I run now? To be the take care of yourself. Where?
Mama, if you see the peace of mind when I get for my life for the past 1 year, you no go believe. The way my body come out, the way my skin come out, me myself, I dey thank God every day. I get daughter for Africa. The time when I take Noah, this man not show my pikin any form of love or any kind of connection. And that time, that's why they find any way to take bring and come abroad. It no help me. Do you know that now after this 1 year, and I don't say separate from her, now God opened that door of that pikin to come abroad for the past 17 years.
You say one thing about those things. Well, what man you want those jaro? They work in. Who got the whole grade? Who got the whole grade? Who got to run on that level?
My daughter is in the UK doing a master's degree. 17,300 pounds. Maybe a school fees. Yes.
What do you mean? I'm going to know what you on press? What the dog power job? Imagine man of your giant and April. Then
na demon they be.
What on that level? Shit.
Na demon they be. They will oppress you. You go need to take eye. They see.
Talk that side again, my sister. Wait, sir. Talk that one again. That your daughter. I will make the year and where. Talk that one. Where your pikin dey now? Talk and where.
My daughter dey UK now. The way God they open that way for me. Do you know that for the past 17 years I've been trying to carry that pikin abroad? I left her when she was just 8 years old when she went to Africa. Now she's 26. Now she come to UK. They do her masters for UK. Just last month, now my daughter enter UK. After 1 year. 17,000 pounds. 17,000 pounds. That be her school fees. Bear me one for see. The way God they help me. Strangers, now they bless me with money. I go just do my house for a year. Or you both they go come press bear. When they even they fear, they let they talk to
God those words. And also somebody have a vineyard with it. I will be honest with my disavow.
Yes.
And I walk by me. Who got one big we say?
I just want to help me thank God for my life because my life alone a testimony.
No lie.
I'm so happy for you, my sister.
Congratulations, my sister.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cry
Auntie.
no more. Cry no more, my sister. Rejoice. Rejoice. God don't
Enjoy your single life. Enjoy your single life.
They are happy.
We are yes or not joke, so single life you are anyway.
Congratulations, my sister. Congratulations.
What on an winner? What's that money here? Well, live your single life, my dear. Live there, live a single life for enjoyment. But where you don't want to care no way. Who don't great in the spirit, who don't great in the level, do however do you told to book me no fit you where we will bring book your journey.
When
you are with the right person, no man waking on me can time a bed the egg no of your my me get money boom and the booking of paying what nothing wait for. Yeah, like me now. What back on your emotion for? Why you kiss so I'm not
so mommy to for me to for
so you met to when you get there.
Bole 1 million bread kwa oyo bog yage to ya pa.
Was to de Tony wa ono e to keka no wa si oni ga go simeto o yi si e o to even to egbe ni agolo o ga egbonu je go and live your single life. Try no more wa won try.
Yes, so I did 7 months pregnant when this man pushed me down. I get belle. He pushed me. He won't even kick me join ground. What did I see for you? I don't fit talk and finish. I don't fit.
What ma bia be na dia why na gbe no de. What ma be Facebook. No when I don't wa be bia na we ma no ka wa gripping eh.
Ogbewa.
The next day one gbe me lele. Ya ni dey na itia be media ge. Wa ga no bio enwu eso so
no worry, my sister. God don't answer your prayer. No.
When I when we're free now. What bang was one la we be ya.
Man, let's shine on me. A picture, my sister, that your picture, eh? Because me, I frame my whole before and after. I frame my keeper. And don't send the gang ya. I know when miracle commercial what they send again. Miracle commercial go that we send again right here. Go frame your picture before and after. Yeah, the arrow was war. Picture
na yaro was war. Emma say Emma. You go see the way you go. We are going to say we are panu do galu ga we mo come we the dog pa.
If we be am mommy. If we be
no, got my skin black. You know they give me money to the buy cream. Now they did that they beg to buy cream to rub.
I said no go there all
I picture no be ya vie ai.
Na kakabo, who ga mo.
Wa fi wa video egbo wa ro what.
Na.
Wa mo picture. We say you we for.
Mommy if stand up ya pose self for what down, they stand up ya pose mood self here. They start depression of. When they pose when you pose when I get depression but one day na. Yeah, man. I look beautiful. When I go aga. Mommy, a bleaching cream can I want my bleaching now? Oh, I don't want your bleaching when mommy. e bleach e we na holu kana mi se karo white karo two e
Ewuna.
we na je
Oba
oh
arogwo
yeah
dosu ome o tono lati am egbo wa. You know, arogwo dosu ome no o tono lati am. You don't see yourself as a blessed person.
oh
Wa age
oh
gbo we phone we bi akesi
yeah
we na la. Wa pa ba ni wa to give a testimony. You be down again. What do expand? The way what do I win say? What do I resist? Oh, what the go.
je o bo mi yore anyway ta la kere kere baba yi ti bo mi yore o the depression marriage o salobua
Annabelle, are you here? Sister Gloria, are you here? Chief Joy, are you here?
Mommy, you are talk by come mommy.
What talk by we shame me outside we.
Mommy, is about wagwan yo. When my wagwan na ima that set up for eternity mana. O wa de mo kan le. O wa gbo gbo me. Ima ri tule mu la de na ya gbo. Ona ku ye yo wa. If you already do tule mu do ti ma. My sister come o. My daddy dey beat my mommy. You look for his ass. Ima ya tule mu akin. Ona ya see a boy. Wetin ya gbe wa. But eme no ma se mi. E mo ya wan o. O ye gbo me na gbo mo.
Oh, what pa ba na that going wa fi wori e.
Oh,
Ye
fi wori
pa
e.
apa. O ma na pa e to ga pa oto.
Very
Awa
useless
pa
as
get
of
we
me.
mo ma no get we no get. We don't
no
care
get
awa pa.
salobua se ye me to da o nya de ye to me so to me te kun fo o te gba pa na
Oh
da
no
o
na ubi ya nye o winye gi yeme so we yo pa wa
Ani o
report
ma
the
na pa abeta kan yi ba. E ya gba le wa mo no so square zero wa we ba. O pa no ta keki we na no ye pa. O no guy no ya awon bo to adapa o bere o adapa.
Mommy Yore, you know, say church people actually they contribute for why women they continue to they stay. Now women want they talk what they see for marriage when no good. Now women want they talk. Church when they go for year, the pastor, he say whether me get evidence when he tell they beat me, whether me don't ever carry my eye go hospital. Now say, oh, I need to get evidence or say don't blind me before I go know say I dey die, I dey suffer. He won't buy me for inside before I go come out. Or na my corpse now I want go give my mother. And so I just stay and salon. Now you believe say those people they completely isolate me from my area for here. Nobody wants to
be
associate
mugu
with me.
sister there be mugu all of them be they go burn for fire
No
their
problem.
fire is
Me too.
God
I
build their
block,
fire separate
me too. I block them. I block all of them through. I begin do my own. After 1 year, now I just do Thanksgiving. So as I tell them, so I do Thanksgiving for another church when I come start. So Redeem Church when they name my house.
You won't do Thanksgiving for church.
Now I invite all of them. Me, I do Thanksgiving. When I call me thank God, I talk about for husband house. Now sabi my own level different. Everybody know where they shame. Me not the shame. Say I live toxic, narcissistic man, evil human being. When we say nothing good, they do. He go tell me bad word finish. He go begin kneel down, go they pray, go they speak tongue, ba 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 do. They shout for inside house. They give me noise. So tell my landlord go come press bell say abeg una they disturb me.
Okay.
But he just insult me. Nah. Never even reach 20 minutes. So me, I already dey confident of myself. I don't already know. Say my God already say now. God now save me. Thank God when he say good like the woman when they follow now when go so go marry. I pray make it continue with the life for them so that I go come out for me and my children. And that one me day.
they say their hands no they say their hands it's wusu go yakin no they say their hands if that one still go now me I dey pray for them if you bad man if you leave bad man make that man if woman wey say one go make she go obo awe ba ayo be la diaba o e na gbon esun e we mo me go ni la wodo re ni ake beruka yun re o mo me te beruka yi sele ni go ni ro wodo ya gbo to da ke ya boli ya to ya fo hu iya ni bo me to hu wa mi ro ni iro ni
Àwọn àbí arúgbó pé marriage náà ẹ tún pọn gbọ̀n ẹ bẹ take we for
for we mommy for we
wọ́n ní pé yàwó ìjẹ́ nukele àárẹ̀ on board never a stress.
mo ele na le mommy e hotel ni le ari owo ni e gan ba no fi o me keep e iba keep e ni gbo bona e gan ni mo e fo alala ya e ti ni le ari e lele awawa e gan ni ara so
Adọ́sẹ̀ lọ́bọ̀ tí wà ní òkò náà mà níyàn yá yóò bọ́ kẹ̀kẹ́ mú ẹ. Ìmọ̀ spirit nù lẹ́yìn gbé. Owó wa máa jẹ yẹn wà máa tètè nínú oyè wa mówó ìpínlẹ̀ àánú.
abego no anybody wey dey inside na if you no learn o ya learn wey na o si na share learning eyin mi re any woman wey kpai for husband house na fire dey go fire no no okuno wulo wodo eyin mi ro ya boy lugan they build am separate na mono local dey give her for fire e make na fi gbe we dey we I know o awuyo we owo zuwo mommy iyan na emi awo we wa ya ka alaja we wo wi yan iya fi awo ya we
Wà wíyà àkúyè anáwó mẹ́bí náà lọ́tà lẹ́sọ̀ yàrá ìtòrè. Yàrá ìyá tèmi náà súnú yàrá
Yes, now.
ìtòrè.
Yes, they
Yàrá
always
ìtòrè.
kill stories. I say when me I go catch am for lie like this, I go say, but this thing also it happen. Because say whether me no they remember, Me never old. Why they forget something like that? I say me forget
Go twist her.
to twist everything.
When I mute here, mute here, na Jena. I say this so. Anybody know again? Ruwe, man, we are starting.
Yes, that's the thing. You have to think about.
Single that thing one must say. Why go aro? Just make it forget. The only thing we sometimes maybe when it done, we do have a man away. But I will say no very important. Okay.
Yes, if you are right. If you actually have friend support system, it will actually help you as a woman. If maybe you even have family members, like for me, I was favored enough for my family to love and accept me. You know, they show me 100% support. They no push me in as a marriage. They be. No, they understand what I talk. But they reach some of the rubbish when they do.
Scenario.
They are Irish, and do you know say this matter involve police for Nigeria? This man go arrest my younger sister for Nigeria. Oh God, my younger sister for Nigeria is saying.
I understand that one. What you talk?
I say the matter is long, so he go involve my younger sister for Nigeria. I say police go arrest my younger sister for Nigeria, for Benin. My sister they work for one of the banks for Benin. So over the years, my sister told us that he get opportunity when he come, or if una dey save money, you go fit dey use until they do business back and forth. They give like people for market to take trade. They go they give una interest, all those kind of things. So he can't tell me say you as my sister now they tell if you want the opportunity you can do it. The interest is actually high through our own connection, especially when they work for bank. You understand? So now I can't say I go tell my husband. I say no, that your husband get the way tell me I don't want to matter money. Now say no worry. Now me you see the help. No, now me no get money. Me no as at that time me no the work, which is like 2-3 years ago now.
Thank you.
That's about 3 years ago. Now so this man come begin to save money for my sister and they send money to her. She come they do the money so take 21 million naira. Now my sister help this man take gather. That is 5,000 euro plus the interest, everything when they come. She dey help and they save her since then. So when we separate, the very week when we separate, he can't call my sister send her 10 million naira. My sister can't send her 10 million naira. Then my sister can't tell me say see this man don't send me account to make I send her 10 million naira. The remaining money now 11 million. If they send me another account again, say make I put and I can say which account is saying she can't give me the person name. I can say my senior brother wife. Now I can say so this man my senior brother wife now I won't come send the money when me I no sacrifice when I do for when if even able to even save money, even my money still even join because as husband and wife we plan together to they save this money for round to take start business all over again. Now be the real motive of us putting the money together. I know many things when we dey suffer for inside house that time say we are saving money. When we buy this one, I go say no, I'm saving money. Everything they go that side, I no talk. Now you want to withdraw the money. Now consider that no go happen. That time my younger sister say that money na my children trust fund. So as me I don't separate, so you know if you collect all the money, your children they my hand and me go feed them. No way. That money now for your children trust fund. That's why I just talk. I can't tell my son no say now. Now I say a family member made they take police go give my sister, go arrest my sister CID people when they go arrest her for office. Luckily now she not be maybe one quick person for bank. So the manager tell them say no, you know they do like that. I must send an invitation and letter and everything before I go fit come here. Now so my sister could eventually go police station with her lawyer, with my father and my mother to answer the question according to them. He say my sister thiefing money. Nah, my sister tell police say this person when they talk so now my former brother-in-law, which na true wife, not even get connection with and will be my blood sister. Now 2 of them. In fact, some of this money safe with receipt and everything. She showed them. Now me even send them because ain't of they using net to the same money. Now me they help and they send the money from here go give my sister for Africa. Now once or twice, now even send money to my sister. So my sister say now his sister even sending money. So now his sister now telling say making no give her the balance. He don't give her so amount before. Finish and so we can't drag the matter before his mama and his brother they can't come and say okay, ain't go kuku leave the money. This time when want to say one leave the money and when me can't do that audio, send give all of them say Igbiage when say me can't do for abroad. Now I come make and say can't leave money because he don't see say trouble they come for that one because I tell her say make it ready maybe we'll go police station go explain how na I come the balance for abroad when I come 2009, 2008 to 2009 when I early 2009 when I come. Now so now wetin happen about that my
Glory be
sister
to
own.
God. Una where they say all your private life. Who's private life? Private life where social don't enter. Private life where
Which
don't enter. Pay the computer.
we dey court already. No, nothing
Private
private.
life where
When
don't
we
enter
talk of
court.
private
That
life,
bet
they
the eyes
encourage.
again. That's the
Mama,
touch
my
story
voice.
so the other women go less for
Ma,
inside.
People need to learn.
ma,
They laughing on.
What are you saying?
ma,
Keep here. I'm not going to be knocking.
wait, make I even
Listen
explain.
again.
Make I explain to that person. May I explain to that person? Do you know that that is what you people, African people, used to traumatize women for years? Private life. Women are dying, is suffering. You are telling them to keep quiet. That is private. What is private about a man sending his wife to prostitution for 10 years? What is private about
Mama,
that?
uno years, Mutia. Uno years oya ke where this year 10 years.
They 10 years.
That
10.
years you we ga win na there.
Yes.
Uga bana se ne wa kasha wore.
Yes, mama. Yes.
Inu go kwa na be that 10 years.
Ha. It go past 200 and something thousand. But me can tell and say, make I minus money for food.
We work bacha wole 10 years.
Yes, mama.
No one tell
Yes.
na me we for. But me don't understand this. We catch
Yes.
it last
Yes, I did. I said it before. I said
You
it
know what
before.
tell na low we ya na.
Yes. So,
no one tell na le we have 6 months some ye ke da we be beti. Yeah,
So-
agbacha
So
wole.
as me come they talk like this, they both even send message to all. They say waiting they happen. Even
You
tell
know
my
when we go
mother.
anu na agbacha wole.
He reached to us, so not be you.
We go agbacha wole. What's here?
If you can't ask me what I want, I dey work for Juju house when I want know what do my brain.
You are kisacha wole o mu iwo ne.
Yes, mama.
No one
Ọsẹ náà jẹ́ gan yàní ọsẹ náà tẹ́ bá jẹ́ gan.
Yes,
Yes,
mama.
yes.
I can't talk everything in details for that audio when I talk about. Cause say nine family people can't take go my papa
Don't be
house.
a one no pe.
I don't know. Bini magon.
Bini ma, o wa ti wa mu we you won wa agbacha wole. Iji e bo wa no.
When me come talk down and nine family can't take come our house. Say I beg go, make their pikin no go prison. Waiting I go gain. I don't already born for am. Just as this person they say private life. So So then one say man no be waiting that they talk now. I me go. Im mama want talk. Im mama say why me go they talk. Say if pikin send me to do that one. That one na years ago now. You know send me go do biaga. That say you want deny for your pikin. No fit deny for your pikin because I rich am. Me they send him mama from Italy. Yeah, they send her money. My hand meet money. I know how many times Oyibo give me better money. Now he now dey give. I know builders. I know buy bicycle. I know buy spoke. Now I give everything to.
Ọkẹ́ wá kàwé yẹn pé irọ́ mọ́ ní sẹ́fì. Ọ ní ìwé àkàkà máa wẹ̀ irọ́ ní mẹ́ fún ọ̀nù ẹ̀wọ̀n náà wàá dórí ẹ̀ mẹ́. Wàá wẹ̀rẹ̀ pé.
Now I did that. I already did that. Now I can't make an out of fear. Now I can't say okay, ain't go they pay, ain't go they do. I mean, they try to want they bed the matter, they bend the matter. Now say okay, since me don't already expose everything. Now he can't just come withdraw. Before, if they spoil my name, they go and they do as he like. They talk many rubbish. As immediately I do that audio.
Máa wẹ̀ dey prayer. Na make kan their prayer
Yes.
They
Now I
don't
can't
know
make
what
and
to
withdraw.
happen.
You can't just stay.
Erun gan ni àná.
They are demons. That's what they are. And it's juju 100%.
No,
It
not be
came
juju my sister, not be
Ega
juju.
no be na agbacha woni muti. Ora we bo no ya gbegbe akia. Ora mu hun gbe. Oma mu. We me boy ya.
No, I not see.
Maybe if it not be na love they catch you my sister. As far uma me bobo boy.
No, I don't need to see am.
No ya agbacha wo so many
No, I feel no see am.
No, you must
If you
see.
say
I
it,
love her agbo e iko ni bojo e we bo ma. I love her agbo ya agbacha wo ni pe. I love na ebo. E ba we no fear, we ba we.
Yẹn bẹ bi ẹyọ sẹfi, yẹn bẹ bi ẹyọ. N'ọkẹ wa gba ṣàwọ for 12 years mu n'okpia. Ọ̀nà wẹ̀ de GP ne. Èdè mi àmà Mario, má bí ẹ máa ìwọ náà gọ́gẹ̀ fà. Ọlọ́wọ́ wẹ̀ sẹ̀ Libya people ni na. Ọ̀dọ̀ zọ wẹ̀rẹ̀ domi ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ Libya ní dọ́là wà 2011 wẹ̀rẹ̀ domi ọ̀dọ̀ wọn tẹ gọ́gẹ̀ fà.
Ave Libya na ya wa be epic we bo.
Àkàbọ̀ mọ́ mi yọ̀rọ̀ sọ ló bá dé dàyàn.
Ya wa e pe wa ri ko la wa.
Mi àgbọ̀ ọlọ́pàá múlá wa ni à. Síta lẹ́mẹ̀ bí kò sí yàn
ebo wa love e no ga ho we se maybe ala lowo e. Abi ala lowo e bai. O wa se when I we ba mi on na ebo for 10 years adebo no iwa niki. E do da ba so ahuma mi emi ebo. O me ise me reti we dagbo bi me go me ko gbenu ya gbegbe akia. O ka me mi ko na no ya gbegbe do ma we. I love you no. O ga ala lowo ma ala lowo ya temata. O ga ala lowo ga ho we se. So no way ya ba sha go ni o ma na like we. O we me te we to agba pe ni bi o. Okay, you where to retire.
Yes, I agree with you, Mama. It's very possible. Very possible. I
not be small pikin for abroad now.
I not they deny anything anymore because
we not so many so we me we kale likpi averi o mari averi o. O ma e ka you don't know what it be like.
Yes, because that time yes, because that time I just didn't naive. Many people for street that time they look me like maybe small pikin like say I be underage. If Gbalegbe come that time say they go want carry me as underage say for street.
See, I'm me fian o at all. Just like say you get small pikin brain. Why me we when na normal thing.
Yes.
And the guy ni agelebe kun go ne blank boy Vitali kakaba wa bo wa ni yan. The guy ni ga no bo won e love you no. O ya la lowo e bo bi ali eke o we. O ya sit down chop.
He can't tell my mother say me don't change. In short say somebody use juju for me. Now make me just change like this. The way me take change no be ordinary. And my mother say
but what we to change no bagbe again also na change. You go give a big what when.
Yes. And then I can't vex say money no they come from me again. Because anything when I can't get, even when I can't even start work, anything when I can't get, I can't spend that for myself.
Yes. Boyfriend, they love woman. They pretend they love woman.
Yes, now the money they love, they don't love you.
They don't love you. They don't love you. I love you. Now you love her.
I know. I don't know that one. So when I make I know I see. Just like one person, he can't know your truth.
Even matter you see.
Yes. Now when you like one person know your truth,
I don't suppose they follow pastor for back.
Yes, that your
pastor.
Not pastor. It was not a pastor. No.
Some of them are very wicked people. I don't know.
Wicked finish. Wicked man.
Yore atogbe ye.
Wa tonje o site we she.
Oye.
Yeah, we track me like man. We try track. We who tell say na Isange. Which kind track? Why is it top now? Start again.